Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a word problem from quadratic equation. This is the problem we have here. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Here we need to find the speed of the stream. So which we don't know, that you should take it as a x. So let me take solution. Let us take speed of stream be x kilometer per hour. So now they had given downstream, upstream, means a water is flowing like this, a boat is moving on it. Okay, so if water direction and boat direction is in opposite to each other, then it is nothing but upstream. So speed of upstream will be given as 18 minus x, that is nothing but boat speed minus stream speed. Stream speed we took x here. Boat speed they had given 18 km per hour in the question. So boat speed minus stream speed, if we take, we'll get a boat speed in the upstream. So boat speed in upstream is equal to 18 minus x kilometer. Similarly, boat speed in downstream. So what is meant by downstream? Downstream means nothing but when a water is flowing and motor is moving on that, motorboat direction and water direction is same, then we'll get downstream. That is nothing but, so we need to add both the speeds to get the boat speed in the downstream. 18 plus x kilometer per hour. 18 is boat speed, x is water speed. So here we'll get 18 plus x kilometer per hour. So now time taken. Now let me calculate time taken by motor boat in upstream. T1 is equal to, so all of you know that distance is equal to speed is equal to distance by time taken. As we want time, send this time to this side, take the speed to this side. So we'll get t is equal to distance by speed. So we'll get here T1 is equal to distance. How much they had given distance in the question? 24 km. So 24 by speed of motorboat in upstream we got 18 minus x. So this is the time taken by motorboat in upstream. So now time taken by motorboat in downstream, let me see. Time taken by motorboat in downstream, that is T2. Again here we'll get distance by speed. Distance is 24, it will not change. So speed is 18 plus x in the downstream. So as we have calculated here already. Now we got both the times, and they had given 1 hour more, means it is nothing but difference between these two. Difference between time taken by the motorboat in upstream and time taken by the motorboat in downstream. So here T1 minus T2 is equal to 1. So T1 is nothing but time taken by the motorboat in upstream. So that is 24 by 18 minus x is minus 24 by T2 value is 18 plus x is equal to 1. So which one we should select, T1, and which one we should select, T2, depends on the denominator. Which is having less denominator, that should be the first fraction. Which is having more denominator, that should be the second factor. Now we need to solve this equation to get the x value. So take the denominator LCM, 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Multiply this denominator to this numerator and this denominator to this numerator. We'll get 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. Just multiply the denominators and numerator separately. 24 into 18 is 432 plus 24x minus 24 into 18 is again 432 minus into minus plus 24 into x is 24x is equal to 1 divided by 18 minus x into 18 plus x. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 18 square minus x square. Just send this to this side. We'll get 432 plus 24x minus 432 plus 24x is equal to 18 square minus x square. 1 into anything is same thing. So 1 into 18 square minus x square will get 18 square minus x square. So 432 will get cancelled because both are having different signs. Now add this 24x and 24x. Both are like terms. So we'll get 48x is equal to 18 square is 324. So 324 minus x square. Now send this x square and 324 to this side. It becomes plus x square. So this I am writing as it is plus 48x. 324 if I take it to this side minus 324 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We got it after solving this equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation to get the x. Yes, let me solve this equation now. So now I'll take by formula method. Formula we have is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is the formula we have. Here a value is nothing but coefficient of x square, that is 1. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to coefficient of x, that is 48. So b is equal to 48. C is equal to constant, that is minus 324. Now substitute these values here. So here we'll get minus 48 plus or minus root of b square means 48 square minus 4. A value is 1. C value is minus 324. Whole divided by 2 into a value is 1. Now minus 48 plus or minus root of 48 square. What is the 48 square value? 2304. Minus into minus it becomes plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 324 will get the value 1926. Whole divided by 2 ones are 2. Now minus 48 plus or minus root of, if you add these two, add 2304 1926. So 4 plus 6 1 3. Sorry, here I took wrong number. This is 1296. If I multiply 324 to 4, I'll get 1296. So if we add here 9 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Here 2 plus 1 3. So 3600 I'll get. 3600 divided by 2. So now we have the perfect square for 3600, that is 60 into 60 we can write. 36 is perfect square of 6. 2 zeros. Give 1 0 for this 6 and 1 0 for this 6. So we'll get like this, minus 48 plus or minus root of 60 square. Square and square root will get cancelled. So divided by 2. Minus 48 plus or minus 60 by 2 we have. So separately you should take now minus 48 plus 60 by 2 comma minus 48 minus 60 by 2. So here minus 48 plus 60 is nothing but plus 12 by 2. Here minus 48 minus 60 is nothing but 108 by 2. Minus 108. Both are having minus. So here also I'll get minus. Here greater number sign is plus. So I am taking greater number sign and subtracting. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 2 ones are 256. So here I'll get x value 6. Here I'll get x value minus 56. Speed cannot be negative. So this is wrong. We should take speed has 6 km per hour. Therefore, speed of stream is 6 km per hour. Hope all of you learned this problem. If you like this video, please do a like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.